Volkswagen, it's a big and renowned car manufacturing company in the world and in the international market. Today, we shall discuss a product that is produced by the renowned company Volkswagen, and the product is Volkswagen's currywurst. It's a German fast food dish and it is a brand of sausage. Actually, sausage means here a tube like case containing meat. Okay, it is eatable and it is manufactured by the renowned company Volkswagen car making since 1973. The company has been making and manufacturing this type of food item since the year 1973. This curry rust is manufactured at the company's Oldsburg plant and sold in restaurants in its six German factories. Actually, this product is produced only in the factory or plant in Oldsburg, and this factory belongs to Volkswagen company. And this is sold in the restaurants in the six German factories. And those factories are of the renowned company Volkswagen. The curry rust is also sold externally at supermarkets and football stadiums and given away to Volkswagen customers. This is a special product of this company Volkswagen, and this is also sold in the supermarkets for the football players for the and others and in football stadiums, and also this is sold and given to the Volkswagen customers. We can see the image of this special curry rust, and this is also special product of this company. This food item is sometimes offered to the Volkswagen customers, regular customers, and also it is sold in the international market. This sausage is offered with this food item curry rust. The sausage is branded as a Volkswagen original part. The product has been described as the most produced of any of Volkswagen's parts. Some 6.81 million sausages being manufactured in 2018. This is a very special type of product and famous product, food item, and 6.81 million sausages were manufactured in the year 2018. The sausage also is very famous and it is taken with the food item, the curry rust. In many recent years, the company has produced more sausages than cars. Actually, the sausage is also very famous, and the company in the recent years has produced more sausages than it has produced cars. Actually, cars are the mother product of the company Volkswagen, but the company has produced more sausages than the cars. So we can imagine how famous the curry rust and also the sausages. A Volkswagen ketchup is also produced and sold to accompany the curry rust. Ketchup means a thick cold red sauce made from the tomatoes. This is also a special type of sauce, and this is also sometimes offered with the curry rust. This is the image of the curry rust, which is the product of Volkswagen, and this is produced, which we are talking about. The sausage is made from pork delivered to the factory 3 times a week. The pork cuts are trimmed to remove excess fat, which provides a fat content to the sausage of approximately 20%, significantly lower than the 35% usual for the bratwurst sausage. Actually, bratwurst sausage is a normal sausage and it contains 35% fat. But the sausage that is delivered by Volkswagen, this contains 20%, only 20% fat, and this is made by trimming the flesh of the pork. And this type of sausage is very healthy. That is offered by the company Volkswagen. So Volkswagen's sausage is healthier than the other bratwurst sausage. The pork is then ground and mixed with a secret recipe of spices before being inserted into sausage skins and branded with Volkswagen's name. Actually, the pork is prepared with a special spice, and this is inserted in the sausage to make it tasty. and this is used with the curry rust. So this type of curry rust and the sausage is the special brand from the company Volkswagen. The sausage are hung on racks and smoked over beech wood for 100 minutes at 176 degrees Celsius. So the sausage is made at 176 degrees Celsius temperature, and it is cooked for 100 minutes, and thus the special type of sausage is made on the temperature. After cooling, the sausages are sealed into packs of the 5 for sale. So this was the special type of food product that is offered by the renowned company Volkswagen, the curry rust. And this curry rust is taken with a special type of sausages that is also offered by the company Volkswagen. So if the video is interesting, then please give a like for this video and share this. Thank you. We are meeting in the next video.